Hey, I'm doing a double review on the coffee machine as well as the coffee. First time getting this one from Costco's. So it's house blend, and I got like just over mild. I like mild ones. I've never tried this one. Okay, and I'm going to give it a go. This is empty, so if you're setting up, you can just take this off. You can either put it, take the lid off and top it up, or take it out and top it up. I find it easier taking it out, just so you don't make a little bit of a mess. Okay, so that's got like a seal bit, so you can unseal it, which is handy. Looks really good in the bag. Oh. So I'm just going to top this up. So top this up. Oh. Make sure it doesn't go out straight away. Now, usually when this is topped up, it lasts me about 5 days for a week. It depends how many coffees I have. But you can seal that back up. We can go from there. Put the lid back on. Okay, so there we go. And I still got all this. Never tasted this, so I'm hoping it's going to be nice. Oh, you can put it back on where the line is, and you put it in and move it. Now this is how slow or fast you want it to be done. I usually have it between 20 and 10. I'm going to try 10 today. It just means it comes out slower. Okay, so you basically get one of these and you place that on here. Okay, these pots. Okay, you got two, this one or the other one. I'm using the other one. So you have to push it down for it to come out. Okay, you can give it a shake, add a little bit more. Okay, when you think it's enough, you got this dabber, you dab down, and there you go. Now you put this on like this, put it on sideways, and you turn it, okay, like that. Now this bit is more harder, so you have to, when you do that, it's more of a bit of a pressure to do it. And there we are, okay. Now the coffee came with this one, and they say put it halfway, but I got this one. You put it down on 200, the milk, so you don't actually put that much in there, but it's more than enough for one coffee. There's a little bit left over milk, so that's all you need in it. Okay, that's ready there. Here, okay, if you want 1 or 2 processors, you press 1 or 2. You pick 2 if you want like a proper cappuccino. If you want like a cappuccino, you press 2. But if you want a really small drink, you just press 1. So I'm gonna press for 2 coffees. You can just play it, and you have to stop it when you want it stopped, and it carries on. But as you can see, it is coming out. And it's looking really nice. Okay, so when you do that, put this up, put this in, right? I got this online, it didn't come with the machine, but it tells you how hot it is. Otherwise, you don't want to burn, not have it on too long or too little. So when it goes to 70 in the red, you want to turn it off. Don't let it go thing, but you should be on the line just before 70. I leave it come out, so we just need to leave it come through. Just give that a little wipe. It does splatter, and you do need to wipe it a few times when you use it, but the coffee is here. So you only need the little dot thing a little bit in. The most will pepper. Now I do multicast and just leave it like this as well. So, and you can tell when it's getting ready. See the temperature's at 40. Right, and the handle will go to the top if you fluff it up even more, but it's hot enough, so I'm taking it out now. Take this out, make sure this is off so you don't get sirted with that. Okay, and if you turn it on, you see the steam come in there. It's got a hole right by there to do that. Now, it is good. I'll go like this right now. Oh, that's really nice. See, and it's a little bit left over. But when it's hot, if you go like this, it comes off. Otherwise, you get dry milk on it. Right, so I do this every time because it's hot and you just have to wipe it with a cloth. And or the dry milk is horrible, but if you do it straight away, this is so hot and it takes seconds. Just give it a quick wipe. Turn the machine off, right? Here, give it a quick wipe because it does make a mess each time. And I will turn the plug off at the back just to make sure. Now, you can empty this straight away or leave it a bit of time, okay? So you just put in the recycling food waste, I usually do. Drop it in the bin. Then you take this off and give it a wash. Now, if you're using it daily, I'd only take this out daily and wash it, okay? Otherwise, you might as well, it does come with a scraper. You can scrape if it's on the corners in the bin. Should be doing it every 2 seconds, otherwise I put it in there. That's what I got taught to do anyway. I'm going to taste the coffee now. So give it a taste. Slightly stronger than the ones I have, but it tastes okay. Nothing bad about it, I would say. Quite nice, more like the coffee in the coffee shops. You can take this off and see it gets some water. It gets all dirty water in. And you can empty that straight away. Okay, give it a wash and take it back. Sometimes it's a bit wet here. Make sure the machine's off. So I just give it a little dry with the towel. Make sure it's all clean. But once a day you need to do that basically if you're making up to like 6 coffees a day. Otherwise, do it more often. So you use a coffee machine, and this is quite good. I've had it now at least a month. I love it. But the only thing what it doesn't come with is one of these. It comes with a small basic one with no thing, which you fill halfway with that one. But I find this really good, really handy with a temperature. So if you should get one if you've got a coffee machine. And you're not wasting milk as well. So you can have it just under, you can see some left. Or like when I make kids ones, hot chocolate, I make them smaller glasses. And if you put it to about 300 in here, it goes over to the top and it's enough for both of them in one go.